Hey, this is Brad Gill with NextHome Lifestyles. Welcome to another Lifestyles listing. Today I'm really excited to be showing you an incredibly unique home located in a desirable neighborhood in the gorgeous Almaden Valley. Rebuilt from the ground up in 2008, this home caters to personal luxury, modern conveniences, and hospitality through its unique one-of-a-kind design, spectacular architectural details, and elegant finishes. The sun is out, the weather is stunning, and it's the perfect day to daydream about a home like this. Welcome home to 6937 Maiden Lane, boasting over 2,240 square feet of immaculate interior living space. This home offers 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an attached 2-car garage, a well-landscaped backyard, as well as today's most sought-after features and amenities. At the front entry, a custom paver pathway leads past 2 decorative stone columns, opening to a large front porch highlighted by an oversized walnut double front door. Just beyond, these custom doors open to reveal a welcoming interior, featuring gorgeous wide plank oak hardwood flooring and soaring 20-foot barrel-shaped ceilings, accented with skylights and illuminated with energy-saving low-voltage lighting. Here, a bright and airy great room comprised of a spacious family area, sunken living room, formal dining, and a gourmet kitchen was built to accommodate everyday living. Speaking of gourmet, relish in this well-sized kitchen featuring granite countertops, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, including a 6-burner gas stove, and wine fridge, large walk-in pantry, and an expansive breakfast bar. When the entertaining is over, your family and house guests will find refuge within 4 well-proportioned bedrooms, including this front room, which can easily double as a home office, craft room, or den. Speaking of refuge, this privately situated master bedroom retreat exudes luxury, featuring new carpeting, vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, and a large sliding glass door providing additional access to the backyard. With an ensuite master bathroom offering a custom double sink vanity and an oversized shower stall. A brilliantly placed indoor laundry room features room for side-by-side washer and dryer and provides access to the backyard. Stepping outside, entertainment can flow effortlessly from the great room, overflowing onto the back patio where a terraced garden and an ornate gazebo provide an enjoyable background. Additional highlights of this home include a fully owned solar roofing system with Tesla battery backup, whole house water softener and filtration system, smart home security, high efficiency heating and cooling, and much more. Residents of Almaden enjoy comfortable living in this picturesque and family-friendly community, located in South San Jose, offering its residents upscale suburban living blended with the charm of California rural countryside. And located within close proximity to an abundance of shopping, dining, and entertainment destinations. Find anything you're looking for at big chain stores such as Costco, Whole Foods, and Trader Joe's. Go shopping, grab dinner, and watch a movie, all at the recently expanded Westfield Oak Ridge Mall. Grab your hiking shoes or mountain bike and tackle a maze of trails that wind about the 4,000-acre Almaden Quicksilver Park. Plus, this particular neighborhood itself offers membership to a community swimming pool, as well as attendance to top-performing public schools, including the distinguished Leland High School. Find your next home today, exclusively at 6937 Maiden Lane in the gorgeous Almaden Valley. It's been a real pleasure showing you around this wonderful home today. I'm Brad Gill with NextHome Lifestyles, and I'd like to invite you to come see it in person. Thank you so much for watching.